In this video, I'm going to tell you how to recover an unsaved Excel file. Open an Excel file from your taskbar and click on a blank workbook, and now go to the File tab. Under this File tab, go to the Options, and once you click on the Options, a dialog box will appear. Go to the Save option. Here, the auto recovery is happening every 10 minutes. I will change it to 1 minute so that my auto recovery happens every minute. And this is where my files are getting stored. This is the auto recovery file location. I'm going to copy that and click OK. Now I'll go to my Windows File Explorer and then paste the link here and then enter. These are the files which are unsaved. If I can see, this is an Excel file, book 1 unsaved. I'm going to double click on it to open. Okay, it says now unsaved. I'm going to click on Save As and then save it in the documents. This is my macro book. That's the reason it is showing me this dialog box. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to click on yes. Okay, now my file is saved. There is also another way to recover an Excel file. For that, go to the File tab again, and now here, go to this Manage Workbook. Okay, now you will have this Recover Unsaved Workbooks. Click on it, and now you will have the same workbook which is not saved. Okay, you can click that and open, and then again save as. Again, I'm going to save the documents. Click on save. Again, this is a macro workbook, so I'm going to click on yes, and my file is saved. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, do subscribe for more videos and updates.